Welcome viewers. We are starting with this video Python list. As we have discussed already what is Python, define Python and what is the scope of Python during the programming language. Now in this video we will discuss about Python list. What does it mean? Python, a list is a particular data structure in a Python that is a mutable form or it is a order sequence of and particular elements. Now we are talking about a list. A list is generated in Python programming by putting all of the items known as element inside square brackets separated by commas. In terms of Python list, basically is just most versatile of Python's compound data types. A list contains items separated by commas and enclosed within the square brackets. Now we are talking about we are creating a list in a Python. To create a list in a Python, we have to write a set of items within the square brackets and separate each item with a particular comma. Items in a list can be any object type found in Python, including integer, string, floating point, or value, or it can be a boolean values. So the value stored in a particular list can be accessed using the slice operator that is known as single slice and double slice, with the indexes starting at 0 in the beginning of the list and working their way to end -1. So these are the actual sign, that is plus sign and asterisk sign is the repetition operator. These are the examples. As you can see, print list, it prints complete list. Second one is print list 0. It prints first element of the list. Print list 1 colon 3. It means it prints elements starting from second till third number. Apart from this, print list plus tiny list, that it prints list of the Python. As you can see, the output of the ABCD 786 and so on. In next video, we will discuss about Python tuples and what is the scope of Python tuples in Python programming. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.